guys. We must investigate. There's something wrong with the water drainage system. The direction of water doesn't look natural.
Roger that.
They quickly returned to their headquarters with a plan. Vlad built X-ray devices and head out with his team, where they scanned the city's gutters. They were astonished to find thousands of tiny creatures traveling within the pipes, marching along like ants. We are definitely using a shrink ray gun. Vlad used another of his brilliant inventions, a shrinking laser gun, to shrink himself and his team down so that they could enter the pipes and investigate. They followed the creatures to the complex network to a miniature city. In the middle of the city was a huge, powerful whirlpool. Whoa, this is huge! Maybe this is the cause of the sewer blockage. They soon found out that a secret civilization was built and inhabited by the Water Mafia gang, who wanted to live a peaceful, quiet existence away from the surface. The city is governed by the Water Mafia gang?
Please come with us, strangers. Our leader has been expecting your presence.
Greetings, people from Atlaspolis. I am Pipers, leader of the Water Mafia gang. I had to protect our city from Atlaspolis's harmful waste. Your garbage is destroying our home. So, I had to create a whirlpool to push the garbage away.
I have a solution for both of us. What if I build a protective shield wall to protect your city from our harmful waste? Vlad offered to help and assured the leader that the mayor of Atlaspolis would run a program to educate the public about the responsible waste disposal, in exchange for his word that the Water Mafia gang would not tamper with the sewer system again.
Give us a minute.
After some consideration, the leader agreed to his term and turned off the machine that controlled the whirlpool. The machine powers down and the city's water level becomes normal again. When Vlad returned to Atlaspolis, he was given a hero's welcome by the city and the mayor, who was more than happy to hand him over his reward money.
We thank you and your team for rescuing the city.
No problem, sir. Galvanized by his triumph, Vlad moved on to his next adventure.
Wow, what is that? That's huge.